First, you will need to open the TikTok app. Click on the middle button at the bottom. Take a screenshot of your screen. I have already taken a screenshot. This will be a proof that the live function is not working. Then, go to Profiles. At the very top of Profile, you will see 3 lines. Tap on it, and then tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Report a Problem. Tap on it and look for Live. Tap on Live, and under Hosting Live, tap How to Start a Live. Tap No and Need More Help. Here, we have the screenshot that I have posted, and then these lines. Please check the screenshot that I sent you. The live function isn't here, and I can't start my live, which is very important to my TikTok experience. You don't have to write these exact lines. You can just write something similar to it. Then submit. Wait until TikTok responds to your ticket, which is around 3 days. After that, hopefully, you will get that function. If you want to see more how-to videos, subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you, and see you at the next one.